I can safely say I was at that for a while. So inside the footer element, so a open P, a closing P. Then nest an anchor element, an A element in the P element that links to https://www.freecam.org and has the text visit our website. So inside the paragraph you put a less than sign, A space href equals inverted commas https, I'll just copy and paste that, and then put a greater than sign, and then in there you put visit our website and then a closing anchor tag. So basically you'll have a wee link saying visit our website, and it says normally this link would bring you to another website. It works. This is a link to blah blah blah. So it would take you to a website basically because the link's working. So it's an anchor tag, and that's the anchor tag, and that's how you set it up inside. Yo, yabba dabba fucking do. Excuse the French because that took me a while to work that out. Add a second paragraph element below the one with the link and give it the text 123 free code camp drive. Add a second paragraph. Right, so P element, closing P. And get 123 free code camp drive. Okay. 123 free code camp drive. I think that's maybe an address, I take it. Congratulations, blah blah blah. Right, you can use an HR horizontal element to display a divider between sections of different content. First, add an HR element between the first header element and the main element. Note that the HR elements are self-closing. Right, so add an HR element to display. Right, so first add an HR element between the first header. Right, so add an HR element between the first header. So HR, so you got a wee line, a horizontal line. So first add a horizontal line between the first header element and the main element. Oh no, it's not. It's the header element and the main element. You should always read it. So a less than sign, the greater than sign, and then that's where the horizontal line should be. Yabba dabba do. Moving on. The default property of an HR element will make it appear as a thin grey, light grey line. You can change the height of the line by specifying a value for the height property. Change the height of the HR element to 3 pixels. So HR parentheses height colon 3 pixels semicolon. Yabba dabba do. Moving on. Change the background colour of the HR element to brown so it matches the colour of the coffee beans. So background colour brown semicolon. And don't forget your semicolon, whatever you do. Yabba dabba do. Moving on. Notice the grey colour along the edges of the line. Those edges are known as borders. Each side of an element can have different colour or they can all be the same. Make all the edges of the HR element the same colour as the background of it using the border colour property. So border colour colon brown semicolon. Yabba dabba do. Moving on. Notice how the thickness of the line looks bigger. The default value of a property in border width is 1 pixel.